Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the Durand Cup, a rolling trophy and the original prize since 1888, and the Shimla Trophy, first presented by the citizens of Simla in 1903 to show their passion and support.
Let's give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the players of Shillong Lajong FC on Nongkseh SS and CC. We will have dignitaries who will be coming to meet and greet the players. Let us please welcome the dignitaries who will be coming and greeting the players. We have Lieutenant General B. M. Krishnan, GOCNC Eastern Command. We have Air Marshal Ilipop Muwalia, AOSPNC Eastern Air Command. Lieutenant General Mohit Wadwa, GOC 101 Area. Lieutenant General Vikas Lakera, Director General Assam Rifles. Major General Dinesh Kumar Singh, GOC Bigor Sub Area. We also have with us Shri Sdang, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Lakman Ruboi, Honorable Minister of Education, Government of Meghalaya. We have Shri Marquis N. Marak, Honorable Minister of Public Health Engineering. We have Madam Isawanda Lalu, IAS Secretary, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. We have Shri Abhilash Bardwal, IAS Deputy Commissioner, East Castles. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together as the dignitaries meet and greet the players.